Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to fix the issue when your newly listed items on Facebook Marketplace are not showing up. Here's the working 2025 fix. First, open Facebook Marketplace and go to your selling tab. Check if your listing is marked as active. If it's still under review, wait for Facebook to approve it. If it's active but not showing, try editing the title or photo slightly and click Update Listing. Next, clear your browser cache or app data. Then reopen Facebook. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app or browser. Also, check that your location settings are correct. Facebook shows items based on region. If the issue continues, switch your listing category, then repost the same item. Finally, avoid duplicate listings since Facebook can hide them automatically. And that's it. Your marketplace listing should now appear properly. A quick working fix that keeps you visible to more buyers in 2025.